here we are. This is what's probably going on underneath your house right now. This was actually at a pub, and you can see the rats. These are a couple of juveniles by the look of them. They're only babies. Hello, Mr. Rat. And you can see how agile they are. They're great little climbers, although a lot of people tell you they can't climb, where we've seen evidence all the time that they do. They're really inquisitive little creatures, look. It's a shame they carry so many diseases and cause so much damage in your houses. We're going to show you in a minute though how a rat flap actually works. This guy here, in fact you can hear right now there's another rat behind our trail cam, and it's chewing our trail cam just out of inquisitiveness. Obviously it's got nothing of nutritional use in bits of plastic on the back of a trail cam, but it wants to know what it is. And remember that this, although it looks like it's all fully lit up on here, this is absolute pitch darkness, and they basically use their whiskers and their mouths just the same as we use our eyes, and they're intrigued. The things that they can pick up with their whiskers is absolutely mind-blowing. If you're interested in this kind of footage, you might like our trail cam playlist, and you'll see rats going up to traps and how clever they are and avoiding different things. But I digress, because we're about to show you how a rat flap works. So basically the rats are going to and from the house, or in this case the pub, and they're going past the trail cam and back into the main sewer. And in a moment you're going to see, when we've fitted the rat flap, what happens. Sadly we don't see any rats coming through the rat flap, but you can see how the rat flap works. Because if a rat was the other side of the rat flap, what would happen is it would come underneath the flap, and when it went back down into the sewer where it does all its feeding and meeting all its chums, and then it comes back to come and nest into your house, it can't do it because the rat flap stops it. It's very important that you use a good rat flap. We've tried many over the 15 years that we've been doing this. It has to be a good quality flap, and you need to know what you're doing and where you're putting it. And here's the rat flap installed, and you can see no rats getting past that. No rats getting past that. Yeah, you're flummoxed, aren't you? If you would like to see the full video where this rat flap stopped a nightmare at a local pub, or perhaps you've got a situation where you've had rats returning year after year, you've already spent fortunes with pest controllers and drain surveys and different manner of trying to get rid of your rats, we offer what we call our rat-free lifetime guarantee. There's a playlist on the end of this video. Have a click, have a watch, and we'll speak to you soon.